There's one right behind you.
They don't bite.
No! So what are we doing first, Mario?
Oh look, it's like... Hold on.
Comparing the OEM with the aftermarket.
It's slightly wider. Wider and thicker.
For better performance. How much horsepower does this have?
Is this not gonna be de-stitch?
Hmm?
Oh, it goes over this.
Yeah.
Or this goes over that.
Yeah, I'll cover all of that.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I need to open up the hood.
Okay.
I just can't wait to see it, like just on it.
What do you think, Mario? Don't leave it on metal.
I'll take this off.
Just lay it like that. Let me see. How you have it?
It's on the plastic.
It should work. It should work. Alright, we should be good.
Okay guys, so we finally got the clips off. We had to watch a lot of videos on how to take it off because we couldn't find it. We were probably looking for it for like at least 30 minutes until we actually try to look into it with a flashlight, and then it looks really simple when you actually look at it. We feel pretty stupid right now.
Now
yeah.
what?
Now we just have to unclip the wires.
For this one, you just pull this one
Yeah.
out. You just pull it out.
Dude, what if we like broke this trying to play with it?
That's what I was afraid of, dude.
Yeah. Dude, you're
When you
terrible.
pop up out of nowhere.
Terrifying.
Yeah, so this
These are
moment
off. You still can't take this one off. Oh my god. What do you mean boom?
Dude, you don't want it to go boom.
I know, but that's what I already see happening.
Shut up.
Dude. This thing does not want to.
Alright, so now what? Alright.
Take this one off.
Okay.
Jeez.
Damn, pretty straightforward.
Dude, this has some weight to it.
Those?
Let's throw it at our neighbors.
You won't do it.
Bro, this kind of looks like Iron Man's little chest plate, but fatter.
Alright, now what's the next step, Mario?
We have to undo all this. Dude, look, this is what we were struggling with. You see these little clips? We couldn't find them at all. But this one on the left side, you have to push it out, and then on the bottom one, this one push up, and then on the right one, you just push it in, just like that. All right, guys, what we have to do next, we have to remove this bolt right here. We're gonna use a 17, but I need an extension.
Please.
Hold it. Sit on. There we go.
Don't remove it all the way. So you could wiggle it out. Screw it off a little more. That should be fine. Now jiggle this thing out. Wait, hold up. Did you remove the cable here?
Yeah,
Oh, it's gone. Alright. Alright.
We're missing something.
No way. No. No, that's part of the plastic.
It's a sign. It's meant to.
Go. Oh my god. Oops.
Oh, beep. Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Don't move it. Where was it?
Huh?
Where
Right
was
here.
this?
It's on top.
Okay. Like that?
Mm-hmm.
You didn't move it, right?
No, it was right there.
Okay.
Right there, clip it, right?
Yeah.
That's fine. There you go. Oof. me tuvo. Let's go test it out.
All right, let's go.